The Julius Abure-led faction of the Labour Party has announced plans to fully participate in the 2027 general elections, despite the recent Court of Appeal judgment affecting the party's leadership dispute. Addressing a news conference in Abuja, factional national chairman of the party, Barrister Julius Abure, said nomination forms for all elective positions are available free of charge on the party's social media and online platform. He disclosed that governorship and State House of Assembly primaries will hold on May 27, 2026, while House of Representatives, Senate and presidential primaries are scheduled for May 29 through direct primaries. Abure said the decision to proceed with the electoral process was necessary to ensure party members participate fully in all pre-election procedures pending the outcome of the Supreme Court appeal.
You can print them from all our Twitter handles. You print, fill them, and report and submit same to the state chairman of our party, who have the mandate to organize our primaries on the date, and then we take up the issues thereafter from there.
Abure also expressed confidence that the Supreme Court will rule in favor of his leadership, also highlighted development and disagreements that have continued to shape the Labour Party crisis.
I'm happy to announce to you that we have filed a notice of appeal, and we are waiting for the date to compile our records, and we file our brief, and then we will properly be in the Supreme Court. And that's why some of the processes we are carrying out by organizing our own primaries and doing our own thing is very important, because the Supreme Court have been very consistent that issues of leadership of a political party are internal affair of the party.
He urged Nigerians and party supporters to remain committed to the Labour Party, noting that the free nomination form policy aligns with the party's ideology of making politics affordable and accessible to ordinary Nigerians. CNN News.